Hello, I am Professor Bala, in charge of the second major in sustainable urban development. Let me give you a snapshot overview of this program, trying to explain as to why we offer it and how you will benefit professionally upon completing the program. So this program, Sustainable Urban Development, has three distinct features as compared to other second majors that you could identify elsewhere. First, the second major is stackable to any primary major, no matter what you pursue. And second, it's a unique program designed to broaden students' exposure to urban challenges, urban sustainability challenges, and then it also promotes cross-disciplinary interactions among students and provide better career prospects than what you could see elsewhere. And third, more importantly, the second major offers an opportunity for you to do double counting up to 16 units, which means that you will essentially do 6 courses instead of 10 courses by carefully opting for the courses that we are offering. Let me explain to you how you can do it as I go along. Now, by 2050, believe it or not, about 70% of global population would primarily live in cities. So we are talking about 7 billion people out of 10 billion people living primarily in cities, consuming a vast amount of resources, about 80% of our global resources. And in turn, we will spit about 70% of carbon emissions. So what? So basically, we'll end up accelerating global warming, which we are trying to tackle over the years. Now, what it means in practice is that, again, we have three major challenges that we need to be able to tackle fairly quickly. First, we want to decarbonize our economies, which means that we want to boost our economy without emitting carbon of any type that will otherwise accelerate global warming and make climate change worse than what it is. Second, we want to be able to reduce any type of pollution in the environment. So we want a cleaner and greener environment to contribute to better living standards globally. And third, we also want to reduce the resources being consumed for various activities to achieve a sustainable future. So we are talking about eco-prosperity in place of prosperity, which is what we have been using over the years. And basically, the built environment is constantly expanding in cities as a result of increased population growth. At the same time, the natural environment is shrinking. So what the second major does here is to find an optimal balance between these two competing goals so that we can still achieve sustainability and despite the increase in population growth and the expansion of the built environment. So I'll explain to you as to how we could do it. Basically, the second major has major focus in the following areas. For example, analysis of natural and built environments in urban areas. That goes back to what I said about the competing goals. And we have an integrated approach to address urban sustainability challenges. And more importantly, the system will allow you to adopt appropriate practical strategies to deal with climate change and sustainable city development. And furthermore, the program also encourages collaboration, advocacy, and leadership to implement transformative changes to contribute to urban sustainability. So as you know, in Singapore Green Plan 2030 has been rolled out a few years ago, again in the context of urban sustainability. And so this program has 6 pillars. And I don't want to read out what the 6 pillars are, which you could find out over here. But we need an academic program that could bring together all the 6 pillars in a more logical and transformative manner. And this is what we are doing by introducing an innovative curriculum as part of the second major in sustainable urban development. For example, we put a large emphasis on green development, and then we are also talking about other aspects of sustainability, including the decarbonization, and then we are talking about the finding nexus between water security, energy security, and so on. So basically, all these areas are critically important, again, in the context of sustainability. And one other thing to add, we are talking about renewable energy, which is not being adopted so widely as we would like to. And we would like to find out as to how we could boost the adoption of renewable energy fairly quickly. So the curriculum structure in place here is pretty flexible, I would say hyper flexible. And so you can pick and choose courses as you like, depending on your primary discipline or your academic background. For example, foundation course, we got 3 courses. We got a basket of 3 courses. You got to pick one of the 3, depending on which college or which program you come from. And then we have the second layer with the 4 courses, all core courses. These are compulsory. This will enable you to gain technical competency in areas that are directly relevant to the second major, sustainable urban development. When it comes to electives, we have a bigger basket of courses, and you got to pick only 3 out of the many courses we have introduced as part of electives. And finally, you can either do a cross-disciplinary project with a final year project, and then it'll be double counted towards the first major or second major. Alternatively, you could choose 2 courses out of the many courses listed over here. So that shows us to how flexible our program is over here. So in a nutshell, and the primary major will deepen your knowledge in your area of interest, and the second major will broaden your exposure to global challenges. And again, the second major, SED, provides more like icing on the cake because it allows you to do the double counting up to 4 courses or 16 units altogether. This is a very important feature of the second major. So in terms of career prospects, you could think of many career paths which will cut across academia, business, industrial sector, government sectors, nonprofit organizations, and consulting firms. In terms of what kind of career titles you would have, typically you will be employed as a sustainability director, sustainability city planner, carbon footprint manager, so on and so forth. You have a whole bunch of options being available to you. So basically, we have invited our current students to share their thoughts in terms of what got them excited to pursue the second major and what kind of experience they have and what kind of careers they foresee. And yes, I put the text that they shared with us. I'll let you read the text, this text. Now, moving forward, of course, Singapore will provide a lot of career opportunities because Singapore has the ambition of becoming a green, sustainable, livable, and climate resilient city state. So given all these goals, we need to have an integrated program, and essentially this is what the second major is all about. So you have a whole bunch of career options being available as shown over here. So I'm going to show you a video in a minute.
So, you've heard about climate change, and you're concerned about its impacts. The world is too. Companies everywhere are becoming more accountable for carbon emissions and sustainable practices. If you want to improve our planet while chasing your dream job, we've got something for you. The second major in sustainable urban development is a one-of-a-kind opportunity that allows you to make our world more sustainable, whatever your career path is. Now you can improve your career prospects without any increase to your school workload. It stacks with any primary major in NUS, and you can double count up to 16 units. It teaches you how to tackle complex climate change problems, such as net zero carbon emissions. When you complete the major, you'll be equipped with a set of skills that will set you apart. That means VIP access to careers like this, or this, and maybe even this. Man, that sounds cool. Current students say that it provides them with relevant future-ready skills, no matter where they plan to go. So yeah, climate change is kind of a big deal. But with the SUD major, you can discover your own way to build a sustainable future. Join us today.
I hope you got a good idea about the second major is sustainable urban development based on the brief presentation we have made and then listening to the video we have shared with you. In case you would like to know more about the second major, I welcome you to look at the website we have by using the QR code. Alternatively, you are welcome to stop by my office anytime and we can have a chat about the program as to how you would benefit professionally upon graduation. Thank you very much.